Hi there everyone, welcome back to TheViluShow. I'm Vince and it's time for another Friday Funday adventure. Hi y'all, welcome to Farm Life, a brand new series where I trade screen time for farm time. For the next 12 months, I will be following Joe and Rebekah, the heart and hustle behind Star-Rich Aquatics and the farm. These two are living the dream and working harder than ever to make it happen. We're talking about aquatics, yep, they grow plants in water, plus grapes, blueberries, chicken, eggs, and yes, even pond building and supplies. If it grows, swim, flaps, or get muddy, it's probably happening here. But this ain't no weekend hobby. This is full-time, rain or shine, sunrise to sunset, real farm life. And I'll be right in the middle of it, learning, helping, and probably making a few messes along the way. Every episode, I will bring you behind the scene to see how the small but mighty farm runs, the good, the bad, and everything in between. So grab your boots, hit that follow button, and come live the farm life with us. Trust me, it's going to be a wild one. And in today's video, we're kicking things off with something really cool. We'll see how Joe receive and prepare for a new batch of koi. Trust me, these fishes are fancy. With that, let's go!
Until it stops blinking and tells you what the pH is. Right now it's saying the pH is 6.9. It's a little low, but the ammonia is less toxic the lower the pH. It's 6.9. So now I'll test this in here. This will be low also because of the CO2 from the fish, you know, respiration. So let's see what this is. That's close.
Yep.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's see what these look like in here. Nice colors in there. Some pretty fish in here. There's a big one right there.
So how many times do you usually do this a year? Or a season, I would say? 5 times?
5 or 6. This was a smaller order. Usually we get more than this in, but I didn't need any goldfish. I had plenty of goldfish. Alright. These are 8 to 10s. Premium butterfly. Sixes. These are 6 to 8s.
That's all, folks. If you enjoyed the video, please consider like and subscribe to the channel and check out the playlist for more video. Until next time, see ya!